Rusty from Dingo Power here. I just wanted to do a short video on adjusting tracks on the new TX1000 Turbos, the classic 1000 narrow track, TX1000 1300, and TX1000 700. They all share the same track tensioners, and to check the track tension on these, you remove pressure off the tracks. Here I threw a block up at the back and then lifted it up with a bucket or attachment, and you want to come down here and you should have about a ½ inch worth of clearance in between the bogey and this portion of the track right here. This one's just a little bit out of adjustment, but I figured I'd show you how to adjust these up. So we've got two caps here. You remove those, and one interesting thing of note on the tracks on all of those machines is they are metric bolts. Everything that is directly part of the track system is metric. Anything that connects the tracks to the machine is standard. So these bolts here are 17 millimeter to remove the covers, and this bolt here is 33 millimeters. So you loosen the locking nut here, and then you can either take the wrench and move it down there, or at the end of the bolt there is a square socket for a ratchet, and you can just put a ratchet in and adjust the tracks up. Taking the other way, this one ain't gonna take much, and I know the tips of my fingers are about a ½ inch thick, so I just use my fingers across there to measure the gap. Once that's done, then you lock down your locking nut and put your covers back on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. As always, contact us at rustyrental.com. You can call, text, or visit the website. Thank you.